Enzo Fernandez is an Argentine professional footballer. He was born on January 17, 2001 in San Martín, Argentina. Born in San Martín, Buenos Aires Province, Fernandez was one of 5 brothers and started playing football at the age of 6 for local side club La Recova for most of his nascent years before joining River Plate in 2006. After 13 years spent progressing through the ranks, Fernandez was promoted into the club's first team by manager Marcelo Gallardo in January 27, 2019 in a 3-1 home loss to Patronato in the Primera División despite remaining on the bench. On 24 July 2019, Fernandez was selected by the Argentina under-18s manager Esteban Solari to represent his nation at the 2019 COTIF tournament in Spain. On 3 November 2021, he was called up by Argentina national team manager Lionel Scaloni for 2022 FIFA World Cup qualifiers against Brazil and Uruguay. He made his senior team debut on 24 September 2022 by coming on as a 64th minute substitute for Leonardo Paredes in a 3-0 win against Honduras. On 11 November, he was named in Argentina's 26-man squad for the 2022 FIFA World Cup. In doing so, he became the second youngest player ever to score a World Cup goal for Argentina at 21 years, 10 months and 13 days old. On 3 December, he achieved a rather not so famous record, becoming the youngest own goal scorer in the history of Argentina in the FIFA World Cup in the round of 16 match against Australia when his attempt to block Craig Goodwin's shot instead deflected into his team's net as Argentina beat Australia 2-1. After defeating Croatia 3-0 in the semi-final, Fernandez played in the final against France, where Argentina won the World Cup by a score of 4-2 on penalties. He was named Best Young Player of the tournament. On 23 June 2022, River Plate reached an agreement with Primera Liga team Benfica for the transfer of Fernandez for a 10 million fee for 75% of his economic rights plus 8 million in add-ons, but with the player remaining at River Plate until the end of the club's Copa Libertadores campaign. Following River Plate's round of 16 exit from the Copa Libertadores on 14 July, Benfica confirmed the deal, being given the number 13 shirt previously worn by club legend Eusebio. He made his debut for the club on 2 August, scoring his first goal for the club, a half volley from outside the penalty area in a 4-1 home win over Midtjylland in the first leg of the 2022-23 UEFA Champions League third qualifying round. He then scored in Benfica's next matches, a 4-0 home win over Arouca in the Primera Liga and a 3-1 away win over Midtjylland in the second leg of the UEFA Champions League third qualifying round. His impressive performances continued throughout the month, and following a run of 5 consecutive wins and 3 clean sheets, he was named the Primera Liga's Midfielder of the Month.